nicest handbag in the world. Do you like to go shopping? Yeah, it's so fun to go shopping, you know.
Hey, they're here already. Oh no, sorry. Okay, welcome to KidsAlive Church. This is Buddy the Zebra and I am Teacher Joanna. And today we're going to continue our series on Fruit of the Spirit. Today's lesson is on patience. Patience, my friend. Patience. What is patience? Oh, patience is such a hard thing to do, right? Especially when you want to do things fast. But mommy says, wait. Who loves that word? Wait. Wait, mommy's doing this. Wait, papa is doing this. Wait. Can I watch my show now? Wait. Can I play PS4 now? Wait. Can I go swimming now? Wait. Right? You always hear that word. But you know what? It's so important to wait because there is a good thing that will come in the end. If you wait, there is a good thing that will come in the end. Correct or not? For example, you're waiting to go in the cinema, you have to line up. Then you have to buy your food. Also, you have to line up. You want to go, where else do we go? We go roller coaster. To line up for roller coaster ride, you have to line up. You cannot just cut queue, correct or not? Then you're not patient, right? So patience is very, very important. You have to have patience. Everyone say with me, patience. Patience, my friend, patience. They even have a saying, patience is a virtue. So you need to learn to be patient. I lose my temper all the time. I get angry and upset because I'm not patient. It's not done fast enough, right? But we have to be patient. Now, there's a story in the Bible about this woman called Hannah. Hannah had to be very, very patient. All her friends were having babies. All her friends were growing old together with her. But she could not have a child. And it was so frustrating for this lady. It was so frustrating. So what she did was she continued to pray before God. She continued to go to God and say, God, help me. God, why? But she would just go before God every time. Now, when we get impatient, we need to just go before God and cry out to God. When you get impatient, children, what I want you to do is this. You go to God and you say, God, help me be patient. Remember I taught you about peace, holding your hand at your heart and saying, peace, be still. Now I want you to do this, but patience. Put your hand on your chest and say, patience. Yeah? And you know what? God will give you patience. In the end, Hannah had a little beautiful baby boy and she named him Samuel because she was patient and she continued to ask God for that blessing. And God blessed her. Okay, look at this ice tray. This ice tray, everyone is familiar with it, right? So we see ice, we fill water in and all that. And then this ice tray just sits in the freezer. And it just sits in the freezer and it's waiting there. And you go and open the freezer. It's still not done. You close the freezer again. You open it, it's still not done. And you close it again. You open it, it's still not done. It takes forever, right? But you know what? When the ice freezes up, you get a wonderful drink in the end. And you get to enjoy your nice Coke. So the outcome is always good. You get to enjoy. You want a drink? Yeah? Is that good? Oh, that's the best ever. So the outcome will be very good. You will enjoy it in the end, but you have to learn to be patient. The memory verse today is taken from Isaiah 40 verse 31. Those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength and will mount up with wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. One more time. Those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They will mount up on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. So, be patient, my friends. Be patient, children. Keep up what you're doing. Continue to have the fruit of your spirit, the Spirit in your life, and you will be blessed. I love you guys. Be blessed. I see you again next week. Bye-bye.